Hey Bellis, I'm here again. So today I am excited because I will do something about hair. Today it's all about hair. Actually, I got my hair color. I am going to introduce to you to the package that I got today, and this is from Salonia. Salonia is a famous brand for professional use. Wow. This is the curling iron, so they really pack it well. Look at that, guys. And when you travel, you have that beautiful case. Anyway, this is the curling iron. This is it, guys. I really love it. So let's try this and see what's gonna happen into my hair. And I really love to curl my hair because as you can see, I always have my straight hair. So let us see, for a change, let's do my hair. So I'm gonna start at this side and I'm gonna get a little hair here. So I just start like this. Twist and open. Open, twist. It's like open and twist. Look at that curl. Voila, it's great. So to continue that, just get some of the hair again and roll it up, twist, hold, open, twist, hold, open, then twist, open and hold. And at the end, you just have to roll everything up. Hold it there for about 20 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. And then just open the wand. Just be careful. Open the wand and voila! That's the curl that you're gonna have. Just continue doing the twist, open and hold, and do it for the rest of your hair. So after finishing the side here, look at that curl. You're gonna go ahead with this side. I'm so excited, and look at that. It's so gorgeous. Dance a bit while waiting. There you are. Voila! That's the curl I'm looking for, girl. That's it. You got it. That is my test on this salonia curl. Hopefully you like that curl, right? This is the final test for my curling iron from Salonia, and look at that, how gorgeous my curl is. I love it. It's so natural. So after that, all you have to do is just fix your hair and look at that curl. Oh, I love it. It's just a simple curl, so you can just style your hair anything you want, and sometimes you just have to, you know, make it look like so natural at this side. So that's it. And look at that hair at the back. See how I did it with the salonia. So if you want this curly hair and you like this video, you like the salonia, get one for you. And if you like this curl, I'm going to do it again for you guys. So if you want your hair to last longer, use the VO5 hairspray. This is really good. This is from Japan. Just spray it, spreading all over your hair like that. Hold it a second and try to, get all the hair up and like that, like squeezing it, and like that, just squeezing it. It's better to squeeze your hair, just like mixing it up a bit and make it warm into your hands, the spray. So just hold it like that, squeeze it, and voila. So please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and if you want to be notified with all of my coming videos, just push the notification bell, and hopefully you'll like this gorgeous curl for me. See you guys, bye.